on our way up to Rankin Fire Tower Lookout. Would you like to add anything, Connie?
No, dear.
Very well, carry on. Winded? Once again, the view is breathtaking. That's why we can't breathe. Okay, we're going up. Let's see if we can make it. We made it. Wasn't so bad.
A little out of breath.
Back up. We're gonna get this thing shaking, see if we can get at the tip. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh man, that thing's really moving. Holy crap. Not doing that again. One lonely buffalo out there all by himself. He's probably close to 3/4 of a mile away.
It's either more buffalo out there or cows.
In the ranger station that they don't man anymore. Can't see in there from here, but I bet it looks pretty cool. On the way down.
Feather or hair?
I don't know, can't see.
Man, look at the poison ivy.
Yep, don't fall in it face first.
Ooh. Okay, Ralphie, we did it.
Yep, we made it. Okay, we made it off the mountain. It's a relatively easy hike. I'd probably rate it as moderate, more steep than anything else. But yeah, here it is, Rankin Ridge Trail. So yeah, it's just north of Wind Cave National Park, south of Custer State Park. Nice trail to take. It's only about a mile round trip, so if you're in the area, try it out.